Tired of struggling with low tire pressure or wasting time waiting at crowded gas stations? Imagine having a fast, reliable way to keep your tires perfectly inflated wherever you go. Meet the ETENWOLF Vortex S6 tire inflator with digital dual values display. Your convenient all-in-one solution for safer, smoother drives. About the product, Vortex S6 cordless air compressor excels at inflating heavy-duty vehicles quickly, such as pickups, trucks, off-road vehicles, not to mention regular cars, bicycles, balls, pool floats, and air mattresses. The inflator can inflate 18 F150 tires from 30 to 35 psi on full charge, along with USB Type-C 45-watt dual-direction fast charging port, capable of both rapid charging and powering electronic devices. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the ETENWOLF Vortex S6 quick connector, user manual, air nozzles. Product description: LED light, high pressure inflation, high volume inflation, preset modes, preset pressure, current pressure. How to use: first, connect the air hose. No tools are needed, simply tighten by hand. Then set the desired pressure. Once pressure is set, press the air button. Now inflate the tire to the set pressure. The unit will automatically shut off when the correct pressure is met. How to recharge: to charge the tire inflator, connect the included charging cables USB Type-C to the device's charging port and the cables USB Type-A to the power source. The power source can be any USB source, like 5-volt wall chargers, car chargers, etc. Specifications: safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.